Dear viewers, welcome to Manju's vlog. Today I am going to prepare a quick snack using egg, bread and spices, a popular dish from the coastal city of southern India, Mangalore. Let us start to prepare the ingredients. Take 4 medium-sized onions and chop it into fine pieces. Two medium-sized tomatoes to be washed, cleaned and to be finely chopped as well. Small piece of ginger cut into thin slices and to be chopped fine. Half bunch of fresh coriander leaves, washed, cleaned and to be chopped fine. Cut 3 fresh green chilies, slit into half. 2 whole sprigs of curry leaves to be washed, cleaned and kept ready. Cut 8 slices of bread into small cubes as shown. Open the air fryer, add a tablespoon of butter, add the cut bread cubes and close the air fryer. Now switch on the air fryer. Within 6 to 7 minutes, bread will be ready. Take 6 whole chicken eggs and using a beater, beat the eggs well, or even using a fork or a spoon. Let us start the preparation. Switch on the flame in the burner. Keep a round non-stick vessel or a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Even sunflower or refined oil could be used as per personal likes. Once oil is heated, add teaspoon of cumin seeds and half teaspoons of mustard seeds. Once starts crackling, add 2 sprigs of curry leaves which was kept ready. Add the slit green chilies followed by chopped onions and saute for a minute. Add now the fresh chopped ginger to the onion mix and add the salt for taste. Now add the fresh chopped tomatoes and mix well. Add a teaspoon of fresh turmeric powder and mix well. Add fresh ground crushed pepper using a pepper mill. If pepper mill is not available, you can use the normal black pepper powder too. Add the raw beaten eggs to the pan as shown and slowly using a spatula mix well. My advice is always try to use fresh ingredients to get the best taste of any preparation rather than using ready-made products. The egg is ready, mixed with the spices and has cooked well on a low flame. Now open the air fryer, remove the crispy toasted bread croutons and add to the egg mixture. If air fryer is not available, you could use a normal pan and slightly roast it on the pan, or even you can add it directly to the egg mixture and toast it on a low flame along with mixing with the egg. Add the chopped coriander leaves on the top. The egg bread masala is ready to savor. Plate it into a dish, garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve. Hope all of you liked this delicious egg recipe, which is quick, simple and easy to prepare at home. If you enjoyed my video, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to receive automatic notifications once new videos are uploaded on YouTube to keep you engaged in the coming days. Thank you once again for watching Manju's vlog.